I just got home from church, and honestly, in moments of worship, that's when I am the most vulnerable. So today during worship, I was crying a lot, and a lot of my makeup, I wasn't wearing a lot to begin with, but all of my makeup got washed away. So I'm here right now, mostly barefaced, but it's fine because I really wanted to talk to you today about these skincare products for 2026, because it's just good to know the best products to invest in that are good for your skin, are non-toxic, are the most natural. They focus on the most natural and healthy ingredients for your skin. So I wanted to talk about these today, and I just wanted to ensure that we just started because I have been planning this video for a while, and I want us all to be prepared for 2026. So when you are planning like your skincare routines and the products that will go into it, then you can know the best ones to choose from that are on the market right now. Yeah. So I want to start off with a story because it may sound bad at the beginning, but it actually ended up or worked out to be really good. So what happened was that I got locked out of my apartment. Don't worry, the situation was fine. I was not on my own. Honestly, I'm really grateful for the community I have here in Madrid. Because as it turns out, like I couldn't get into my apartment for any reason. It wasn't working out that night, and it was like something that got solved later on, so it won't happen again. But in any case, my neighbors actually allowed me, they offered for me to stay with them for the night. It was really sweet and kind of them. And the thing is that I was going to travel to stay with a friend and everything was fine, but they were trying to help me through the process, and they heard that I was going to stay with a friend, and they were just like, no, absolutely not. You're here in your actual building and it's fine to stay here. And they had a guest room. Like, let me actually say this. I don't know how it is that being locked out of your apartment can work out to be so good, because honestly, staying in their apartment, staying in their guest room with all the amenities that they have or they had, felt like I was staying at a really good, well-equipped Airbnb. Like, I'm being totally honest. Like, they gave me the guest room, they gave me dinner to eat, even like prepared like my breakfast for the morning, because they weren't planning on waking up early. But they were just like, you have access to everything. And even their guest bathroom was so well equipped. And I'm gonna go to the point of this story, because through the process of staying there and actually using what the wife had for her guests for or skincare, I discovered this unique skincare line that I'm going to talk about right now. I could use the skincare products that the wife has in the bathroom, and through that I discovered this product that is French based, and because of that I am pretty sure I'm going to butcher the name, but I'm going to put the name as well as the product line on the screen so you can see, and also the link in the bio so you can check it out. But it's called Caudalie. And I think that's how it's pronounced based on what I know about Spanish, and I think the French pronunciation is kind of similar. Anywho, so it's Caudalie, and this is a skincare line that is focused on using the ingredients, the nutrients from grapes, and they actually call it like vinotherapy or vinotherapy, where it's like literally like the good products that are for your skin that are found in grapes. They use it in this skincare line. Caudalie is a French-based skincare line that uses like vine and grape-derived ingredients, and they just get ingredients that are good for fighting aging and even brightening your skin. Now, this is, for me as a dark-skinned person, I am not looking for something that would change my skin tone. However, something that would just make it look just highlighted and, you know, just brighter and fresh. I know that there are some products that literally will bleach your skin. I was looking at the agents and I don't think it does that, but it's like more to make you look plump and fresh. That's what I believe, and I really looked into this product, so that's what I'm looking for, right? And even just to give you just good, unique qualities for your skin and your skin care. So this skincare product has polyphenols, it has antioxidants, and just different ingredients to help your skin to thrive. And the thing is that it's actually really plant-based and non-toxic. When I used this product that night, I used the face wash, the toner, the moisturizer. It just felt so light and just so good. It smelled well. It smelled really good. But it just, I felt like, yes, my skin, my face got a good cleansing, but it just felt so good that I was like, I want to get more of this product. That was my first night using that product, which I think was maybe a few months back. But even from that experience, which was accidental, I knew, okay, I need to get more of this because it's really, really good. Some more about this product is that it's really gentle on your skin, and it fights dryness too, so that will help with preventing wrinkles and even breaking out, because dryness can cause breaking out, which is so like a paradox actually, but it's true. So it can fight that and even help your skin to just be moisturized and in the best way possible. I really like this product, and for 2026, I think it's one of the top products to really look into and to research for your skincare, and also see if it fits into your budget and if you want to invest in it now or later. Because honestly, at the time when I saw the product and I knew that I liked it and I saw what the price is, I knew that I had to invest in it. I knew it was worth it, but I had to wait for a while. That was honestly my process, but I believe it's worth it. And I think they ship internationally as well. So wherever you are, I believe you should get access to this skincare line. So the next skincare product, and I've been hearing, or the skincare line, I should say, I've been hearing really good news and reviews about this product. And it is science-based and really gentle for you to fight acne. It does that. It fights acne, clogged pores, and even textured skin. And that really caught my intrigue, because I do struggle with having textured skin at different times. And I was really looking into this product because of how gentle it is, but still very effective. And many other people have been recommending it as well, because it is really non-toxic and also really effective. So this product line actually has really good ingredients that your skin just loves. I am talking about salicylic acid, niacinamide, and also retinols that are just good agents for your skin to reproduce fast, and also to unclog your pores. Just things that will keep you in the best way, or to position you to look as fresh and as young as possible. And this line, it has different products in and of itself. So face wash, the toner, moisturizer, different things like that. And even within the product line, it has different products that have main ingredients based on your need. So if you are trying to fight acne, for instance, or to even the texture on your skin, the different products will help you based on what you need. Or if it's that you are trying to fight dryness, or even having oily skin, different products will help you with that. It also has a skin cleanser that's a foam, and another one that's a gel. It has different lines. So when I was looking at it on Amazon, I saw that you have different choices based on your need. This product line also has a liquid exfoliant, which is so good to fight acne, because it's unclogging your pores, and also to help to even your skin tone, and to help to reduce blackheads or anything that comes with your pores being clogged. I think it's one of the most popular products that's within the skincare line, and people really love it. Like, I've heard reviews and read some that say that they love how gentle it is, but also the effects that they can see with using it regularly. And for me, to be honest, I'm kind of going back and forth, like for 2026, between choosing Caudalie and Paula's Choice. And I just need to say this. Since living in Spain, there is a big difference between the English version of saying Paula and the Spanish version of Paula. And I think I've gotten so accustomed to saying the Spanish version that you may be hearing me say it and wondering, why does it sound a little bit off? It's because the U in Spanish is actually pronounced strongly. So it's like the Paula, you know. So anyways, just a little tidbit. And some of the concerns I have with, like, when I'm visiting home, people may be thinking, okay, she's speaking quite weird. And this is one of the reasons, because you get used to different pronunciations, and it's like what your brain starts picking up as normal, especially if you've been doing it for years. It's one of those cases. But I have heard too that when you go, like, to your home country, you also get back into what was normal faster, you know, and these are like for good things like languages, you know. So it's just a little tidbit here. The next skincare line, and you've probably been wondering, how comes I didn't mention anything Korean yet? Okay, I've got you, because now this skincare line is Korean and also minimal, plant-based, and just focus on using simple ingredients that are still effective. And it is called Anua, or it's just like acronym ANUA. I am not certain, but I'm through my research have found that this skincare line is really good, and the ingredients that they present with actually make people feel really comfortable. And another thing that makes people comfortable with it and will be more trusting towards the skincare line is that they not only tell you the ingredients, but they'll even tell you the components or the percentage of the ingredients within the products. I mean, come on, can you get any more trust, like being so transparent so people know, so we know what we're actually putting on our bodies? I think that should be something that all the companies do. But you know, this skincare line is actually giving a good example that others can follow. And because of that reason, many people have been turning to them and deciding to use them. Because yes, we know that Korean skincare products are really good. Like, Korean ladies have mastered skincare, which many of us have been learning from. But even this skincare line that is from Korea is so good as well, and really effective, yet simple. So if you have been worrying about putting too much chemicals or too many chemicals on your skin, then this skincare line actually helps you and helps to ease a lot of that burden, you know? Their signature product is this plant called the heart leaf. This skincare line is really focused on being plant-based, and even this plant, the heart leaf, is good for its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant. Really good. So antioxidant, that's what I meant. So if you are you have a skin that's very sensitive, I know what that's like, or prone to acne, or even prone to redness or anything like that, or inflammation, you can check out this product and see if it works for you, because this ingredient actually has like the properties, or this plant has the properties that will help you with that. So another component of this product that just gives it an A+ is that many of the products actually tend to be fragrance free or mineral oil free. So it doesn't have the synthetic ingredients that irritate our skin or our bodies a lot. So this product is also available globally, and it's really good for you to look into if you have sensitive skin or you just want products that are simple and non-toxic, because it is time that we actually have like ingredients that you don't have to worry if you are literally putting things onto your skin that are absorbed into your body that are really bad for you, especially when accumulated. So those are my top skincare lines for 2026. These are my highest recommendations based on what I have been looking into personally, and I recommend that you do the same. But also I want to say, always test it out. See what works for you and what's best for your skin. The reason why I love these different products are how they're focused on being gentle yet effective. Like the Caudalie is really focused on being derived from plants, but still good and gentle and active, with active ingredients that they have found to be good from vines and from grapes. For Paula's Choice, they are scientific based, but scientific in a way where it is gentle and active, and so focused on not being non-toxic. So, or being non-toxic. And the last one, the Korean line, Anua or Anua, that could probably be the pronunciation. So it is a Korean product line, but also really gentle and effective, good for your skin and leaving it feeling fresh and hydrated. So look into these products. Let me know if they worked for you, or if you even have other recommendations. I would like to know as well personally. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day. So I want to ensure that it's from Italy and not France. So Lord, oh gosh, it's French. It's French. The skincare line is French, not Italian. And it's Caudalie. All right, so